Let us talk about user management. The user management feature empowers user admin to effectively oversee users and groups within the application. Users can access user management by clicking on the dedicated user management icon located in the sidebar. User management comprises three essential tabs: users, groups, and invitations. Let me walk you through each tab. The Users tab provides a comprehensive list of users along with their detailed information. To access specific user details, simply click on the respective user's name within the list. You can search for a specific user by entering the username in the search bar. The refresh button allows you to refresh the list of users. Click on the filter icon to apply filters. Users can be filtered by privileges. User list can be sorted alphabetically. A new user can be invited by clicking on the Invite User button. Enter the username in the search bar and select the privileges for that user and click on Add User. The user will receive an email invite. You can view your invitation status in the Invitations tab. Active user privilege will be selected by default for all the users. For an active user, all operations are available in the DevOps plan except access to site configuration and modification of folders, charts, queries, and reports in public folders. All users or groups visible, if selected, gives the user a privilege to view all the available users and groups in the application. For a public folder administrator, all operations available to an active user are available. This user can create, copy, rename, move, edit, and delete folders, reports, and queries in public folders. Also, can copy, rename, move, and delete charts in public folders. For a super user, all operations are available in DevOps Plan. He can also manage site configuration. Click on Add User button to send the invite. You can view your invitation status in the Invitations tab. If a user already exists in the application, it shows a message that the user already exists in the application. The Groups tab provides the list of groups along with their detailed information. To access specific group details, simply click on the respective group's name within the list. The details will be shown on the right. You can also search for a specific group by entering the group name in the search bar. Refresh button allows you to refresh the list of groups. Groups can be filtered by clicking on the filter icon. A user can filter the groups by status. Groups can be sorted alphabetically. Clicking on Add Group button allows the user to add a new group from the groups list that already exists. As you can see, the side panel displays the list of groups. The user admin can add a group by clicking on the plus icon. Clicking on the Cancel button cancels adding the group. The search functionality empowers user admins to effectively locate a specific group within the comprehensive list of groups, enhancing the ease of navigation and accessibility. By clicking on Add button, the selected groups will be added. The newly added group gets added to the list on the left panel. Within the group details, you will find the information including the group name, total users count, the group's status. It is easily modifiable, toggling between active and inactive with a switch. By clicking on the Edit button, the user can edit the group name. The group itself can be deleted by clicking on the Delete button. Along with these, it also shows the list of users within the group. Click on Add User button to include new members. A side panel positioned on the right side of the screen displays the list of users. You can add multiple users by clicking on the plus button. Users can also be removed by clicking on the cancel button. The search bar shows the users list for the entered username. Click on Add button to add the users to the group. You can see a success message that the users have been successfully added to the group. The newly added members are displayed on the group details section. Users can also be removed from the group by clicking on the cancel button. Search allows you to search members within the group by entering the username. A new group can be created by clicking on the Create Group button. A pop-up appears where a group name should be entered and saved. You can see a success message that the group has been successfully created. The newly created group gets added to the left panel. On the details section, like you can see, there are 0 users, the group is active. A new user can be added to the group by clicking on Add User button and selecting the users from the list of users as already explained. Once the users are added, you can see the added users in the details section. Removing the users and searching for the users functionality remains the same as explained. The Invitations tab lists the invitations sent to the users who haven't accepted yet. You can cancel or resend the invites.